Gold sold off aggressively following Tuesday's surprise to the upside from US CPI. But what does that mean going forward? We'll talk about key levels and targets in today's video. And if you've been waiting to join our VIP group, I have an incredible offer for you this month that you're not going to want to miss. So click on the link at the top of this video, and you're going to be taken to my recommended broker, Blueberry Markets. Right now, we're running a promotion, guys, through March 12th. And the really cool part about this is this section right here. So you're going to get lifetime access to our VIP group if you deposit $200 or more with Blueberry Markets using my link. So that means you're going to get lifetime access to real-time market discussions in Discord. You're going to get exclusive charts and setups, daily videos. You'll be able to see my trades in real time. Plus, you're going to get lifetime access to the upcoming course. All for depositing just $200 or more with my broker. And also, you'll be entered to win a DJI Mini 4 Pro drone if you trade at least one lot before March 12th. All right, so again, this is a limited time offer, guys. So be sure to see the link in the description of this video, or if you're on the website, click on the broker link here at the top of the page, and you'll be taken directly to the Blueberry Markets page to sign up. So that's all you have to do, guys, for lifetime access to the VIP group. You don't have to pay me a dime. All you have to do is come over here, open up an account, fund it with $200 or more, place a single trade by March 12th, and you will have lifetime access to the VIP group, plus a chance to win that drone. All right, so if you guys saw the weekly forecast on Saturday, you know that I was looking for a confirmed break below this trend line. So looking here at the daily time frame, you can see where this candle right here, this red candle that closed just below the trend line from October of last year, what I was waiting on was a confirmed close here on Monday. Okay, so Friday closed just marginally below that, but I was waiting for confirmation right here on this candle, which you can see that we got. Monday closed below, and Tuesday retested that level as resistance, and we got a very aggressive sell-off here from gold. So this played out exactly as I was talking about in Saturday's forecast, but where is gold likely to go from here? So we know that this move lower was due to Tuesday's US CPI, which came in hotter than forecast. We talked about that in a previous video where I told you guys that my thoughts were that inflation would remain stickier than a lot of people think, including the street, and that's what we've seen so far. So that aside, though, just looking at the technicals here, we can see that gold has carved a lower low. So you can see here that going back to this low from back here in October, okay, we've had a series of higher lows here from gold, from XAUUSD. All right, so this right here recently, okay, this week is the first lower low since all the way back here, right? This low from back here in October, which became a very significant swing low for gold. So this is the first swing low within this series. So that begs the question, is this the turning point for gold where we're going to see the top of this range that I've talked about at length? Okay, looking at the 5-day time frame, right? Is this going to be the point where we finally see the market sell off here from range resistance? And, maybe we don't come all the way down here toward these lows, but maybe we come back here toward this region to fill it in. And like I've said recently, over the past few weeks, this up here, as choppy as gold has been, this is not where I want to look to buy. This is where I want to look to sell simply because of the range resistance that goes back to 2020. All right, so as for key levels here, and by the way, guys, if you are enjoying this content, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. And also, I already told you guys about the deal right now, the promo with Blueberry Markets, where you can join our VIP group by depositing $200 or more with them by March 12th, 2024. However, for whatever reason, if you guys are already, set on a broker that you have where you live in the US where you can join Blueberry Markets, what you can do is join through the link at the top of this video. So click on that link, you'll be taken to the website, and you'll see an offer there for lifetime access that is 70% off to VIP. So you're going to get daily videos, you're going to see my trades in real time, exclusive charts and setups, plus you'll get the course that is coming out this month. All right, so looking at gold here, XAUUSD, guys, we have the market trading below this 2000 low from right back here. So this was the January low, and so far, gold is trading below that. So as long as the market is below this area, then I do favor looking for shorts here for a move down here toward the lows right around 1975. And then below that, of course, we have this pivot through here right around 1930. Now, a lot of times when you get a symmetrical triangle like this that has built up here over the past few months, as long as this holds up, okay, and that's going to be key, as long as the market holds up down here, then we could be looking at a move toward the inception point of this pattern, okay, or at least very close to it, which would put gold down here around 1930, potentially even down here in this area to fill in this breakout candle back here. I've talked about it before, but we saw a very shallow retracement of that candle. So we could get something down here to fill in the imbalance that we saw back here during the breakout. Now, that's only if we see gold hold up below this level down here. And specifically right now, 2K, all right, 2000. If we see gold trade back up here, close back up here, then that would be bullish toward this level, toward that trend line from October. All right, so the downside targets here that I've talked about are only going to hold up if we see levels like 2000 and also this area up here around 2030 hold up on a daily closing basis. All right, now let's talk about the US dollar index here, the DXY, because this is going to matter for gold as it does tend to move inversely to the metal. And what we've seen here recently from the dollar is we've seen the break above this area around 104.5. So we've talked about this area at length. This has been a pivot going all the way back here toward late 2023. And you can see where the DXY did break above this on those hotter than forecast CPI numbers. So what's going to be key here coming up is we do have PPI on Friday. So that's going to be another key inflation number to really kind of drive this market. We're either going to see the DXY hold above this on a daily closing basis and turn higher toward 105.1 and potentially close above that for a continuation of this bullish move, or, right, don't rule out the possibility of a close back below here because we have to entertain all possibilities. Even though I am still bullish on the dollar, I do like the fact that the market has been carving these higher highs and higher lows, and I will remain bullish as long as that's the case. We still have to entertain the possibility of this failing. So the only way I'm going to flip bearish on the dollar right now is if we get a close back below this area down here. Okay, so as long as the DXY is above this, then I'm going to stay bullish here, which could potentially be bearish for gold. All right, so those are the levels to watch there for the DXY over the coming days. Just remember that we do have PPI on Friday here in the US, so that's going to be another big inflation number because markets right now are focused on inflation. That's a key driver right now for the Fed in terms of whether or not we get those cuts that the street is expecting. All right, but as for gold, guys, again, the market did sell off right from that area that we talked about on Saturday. So this region up here, we got the close below on Monday, retest up here as new resistance. So that was a nice little short there on Tuesday. If you missed that though, again, 2000 is the area to watch. That's going to be resistance. Support comes in down here around 1975. Subscribe to the channel and click that bell icon for notifications for more videos just like this one. Don't forget to smash the like button to show your support and also claim your 70% off VIP access. See the link in the description, or if you're on the website, click on that link up at the top that says Trading Group and you will be taken right to the page. I will see you on the inside. Trade well out there, and I will talk to you again tomorrow.